Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Hack Minds. So in today's video, we're gonna make a USB stealer or USB rubber ducky. So let's start. There's a lot of people in the world, I mean, who just don't think about what to do, and they just got click on any of the USB. If someone plugs in the USB, they just click on the go on. matlab, they didn't care about what they are doing. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to create USB rubber ducky or USB password stealer. So first, what we need is we are going. Okay, let me show you. We have to go and get some software like this, like browsing history view for browsing someone's history, Chrome password to steal someone Chrome password, FB cache. That's the good one. I really appreciate this app because it actually hacks FB. It's uh, stole the cache from the browser. IEPV, which means it extract password from Internet Explorer. Mail.pv extract password from mails. MS Pass also on password extractor. They same like Opera Pass, Firefox, and web browser pass view, wireless kiwi for the wireless hacking. So all you guys just need is that you have to get all this. Okay, so you just need all this software like this all. Okay, so when you install this, you have to make two files. Actually, these two files are really important for you to steal someone password. So we just gonna need is copy all these apps into the USB, and then we have to create files named autorun, where we have to write this code. Actually, this codes, I mean, this all code autorun open.batch.bat, and in the next line you have to write action is equals to perform a virus scan. And from perform a virus scan you can write anything like uh, do this, or perform a script, or perform anything. It's on your wish what you want to write here. Okay, so what's next is we have to create uh, a file name as launch.bat. Here it's a file I have already created, and I'll show you what I have written in this is we have to start mspass.exe. What does it mean? I mean, what it does it mean is it will start the MS Pass. I mean, when someone view when you will plug the USB in someone's computer, it will automatically start this app mspass.exe, and it will store the password as mspass.txt. Again, what we have to do is write another code of line where we have to write browsing history view. This same does the same thing. It will launch the app known as browsing history view, and save all the text in the browsing history. And guys, do not take any tension, I will provide the link in my description, so go there and download as many as apps you want to download. There are lot of softwares which can provide you everything. I mean, seriously, this kind of hacking is really good. So we have created the autorun.inf. And guys, remember, when you are creating the autorun enf, you have to save as autorun.inf. It is necessary to save as autorun.inf, and this you have to save is uh, launch.bat. So you have to save this all, write all the codes, as many apps you want to install in this text, and you have to save this as launch.bat. So now you have done everything. So what you have to do next is copy all the things, copy all the files in the files, and paste it in your USB. I mean, that's your really tool, that's your hacking tool. You have to paste all these files in USB, and please try first at your own computer, then plug in from another. So this is video is just for educational purpose, And please guys, do subscribe and comment and tell me whom you have hacked and what you have hacked. So thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you like it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.